So just passed by East Mall and Cecil Green Park Road. That this road going down will take me past the Rose Garden Parkade, which is that, and past the Museum of Anthropology. You can just see the Chan Center for the Performing Arts right there. And well, I don't think there's lots of other things to see here. That's our walking tour. Too bad I couldn't go down Trail 3. Not enough time. Next time I'll do Trail 3. You see the there's a World War II lookout bunker there. Just passed by the parking for the Museum of Anthropology. So if you're going to Chan Center, either you park at the building across Allard Hall or park here at the Rose Garden parking. So Allard Hall building is the closest one. Then next is Rose Garden. Parking at the Museum of Anthropology is the one that's furthest. So that's in order of how far it is to park. I think they're all same rate. Let's go here at the Museum of Anthropology. I think you have time. I think it's open today. I think this one's also by donation. That one is a school of anthropology. The actual museum is down here. Yeah, it's not much to see. I guess you gotta go inside. Wait for parking. I've been here several times. It's pretty nice. They have a significant collection of indigenous art. So something you can do if you're killing time at UBC. So what's here today? So In Pursuit of Venice, Infected. Yes.